So, hi, this is Aakanksha Saha, and I'm going to present on the topic efficient way to automate any graphical application using Sikuli. So, a small introduction about myself. Currently, I'm working in HPPTS R&D Hub, Bangalore, and I'm working in the team of large format printers, shortly known as LFP. So LFP are the line of printers which are used in technical, graphical, as well as industrial segments. Some of their common use cases being wall art, canvases, advertisement hoardings, banners to films, printing posters, and other technical drawings such as CAD. So these LFPs or large format printers are up and running for 24/7, and they are known for their reliability, versatility, high quality products, and faster printing. So you see, we need reliable testing mechanisms to test a number of features in minimal time. Now, what are features we want to test? We want to test whether a printer is up or not, whether a printer is printing correctly and the output which we want is generated and reproduced successfully, whether the colors are aligned and have been reproduced successfully, whether the media loaded is acceptable or not. So these are the things which a tester need to test in the printer before giving it to the customers. Moreover, manually testing these things will lead to some defects escape the mind of the tester because we are all humans and some errors can be done. For example, let's say a tester has to test the printing performance of a printer. Then he has to send the same print command again and again from a software or let's say to a certain website to see whether the printing is done normally or not. So these repetitive manual tasks, doing it again and again, numbs the mind of a tester, and it can invite errors. Moreover, it's a very strenuous task to do the same repetitive things. And apart from this, our LFP team or any team in general supports a lot of applications. We have mobile applications, we have desktop applications, we have web-related applications, standalone applications, and the automation tools which we see nowadays, let's say Selenium, is very good for web-related applications, and other tool known as QTP is good for web-related and standalone applications, but it is supported only in the Windows platform. So we see that we have this language dependency, operating system dependency, platform dependency. So owing to these challenges, we move to an open source tool called Sikuli. Apart from this, the good thing about Sikuli is that it's open source and it's supported on all the three major operating systems. It's supported on Mac, it's supported on Windows, Linux, and as well as it supports mobile applications. And we don't need skilled testers to learn any high-level languages such as C# and Java, because Sikuli is easier to learn, and you can just start writing test scripts within few hours of learning. So the automation scripts generated using Sikuli is consistent across all the platforms. We can use the same script on all of our products with minimal changes, and it saves our time and it saves our manual effort, and it makes fixing of bugs a lot easier. A brief background about how Sikuli works. So Sikuli automates the graphical user elements on the screen and using image patterns. So internally, it uses the OpenCV and Java APIs to match the image patterns on the screen. And the source file of the Sikuli is internally converted to a Python file or .py file. And when you save a Sikuli script, it gets saved as a .sikuli extension directory, which stores all the PNG files or the image files which we have used while testing. So I would like to show you a demonstration that how we can use Sikuli. So I would just start sharing a video with you guys so that you can see. Here I'm doing, what I'm doing is, this is the Sikuli ID. It's a very user-friendly ID, as you can see. So here I have made a file, Global Tech Women Conference, and on the left side of it, you can see we have the options like take screenshot, insert image, and other mouse actions and keyboard actions. So you can use any of the APIs given in Sikuli. Now, I'm writing a code, a 5-line code to open the Google Chrome browser and type a URL. So switch app is a function which switches the app focus from current window to the Google Chrome window. So I have given the path of the Google Chrome in the function argument. Now I'm using a find function to find the address bar on the Google Chrome. As you see, I am opening a Chrome window and we have a URL bar here, address bar. So I want to, after opening the Chrome window, I want to find the address bar of the Chrome. So what I'm doing, I'm taking a screenshot. I'm clicking on the take screenshot button. I will just take a screenshot of the address bar, put it as an argument of the find function. And now I want to type any URL which I want. So for example, right now I want to type Global Tech Women's conference page. So I would just copy that address here in the type function. The type function will type this thing in the address bar it has found out in the previous line. So here just I'm making it as HTTP because it would take the address as it is. Now after typing this address on the address bar, I have to press enter. So for that, it's a 1-line thing. You can just write type key.enter, since enter is the key in the keyboard. And then I'm waiting for 7 to 5 seconds for let the page load, and you can see what's the outcome. So this is a file. Now I have two options, run and run in slow motion. So I'll just run it in slow motion, and you can see a Chrome browser has been opened. It's typing the address in the address bar, and now the page is loaded automatically. And now it will go out of the window because it was the wait for 7 seconds. So after 7 seconds, it went out. And so you see, just in 5 lines, I was able to open a Chrome browser, and I was able to show that I can switch from, just a second, that I can switch from the Sikuli to Chrome browser, and I can type the address and the page will be loaded automatically. So I just learned this thing in few hours. Apart from this, the results we achieved in our team after using Sikuli and after automating the test cases is that the smooth and quick implementation of this tool made us automate more tasks, since it was very easier to learn this tool and we were able to write more test cases. So the average automation rate of our team increased and we were able to handle more platforms. Since HP has a mobile application, it has and web-related applications, so we can just use this test cases on any of these applications, and our team was able to handle more than one platforms, because Sikuli is independent of platform and operating system. And moreover, we were able to identify bugs quite easily. It helped that team. It helped our team in that way a lot, and it helped us in testing the overall behavior of the application, where an application needs user interaction, because sometimes you just have to click some check boxes, then you have to click the I agree button, then you have to click next, next, next. So with Sikuli, we were able to reduce these repetitive tasks which we do, and we were able to save a lot of time and manual effort. So you see, it helped our team, and I hope it would be helpful for any new learner. So that's all from my side. If you have any queries, you can contact me on my email ID. Thank you.